The Bifrost wallet is one of the most beginner-friendly crypto wallets available today, especially for users who want simplicity without sacrificing real functionality. Designed to support multi-chain assets, Bifrost allows new users to store, send, receive, and manage digital assets with minimal technical knowledge. Right from setup, the experience is smooth. The wallet guides users step by step through account creation, private key backup, and basic security settings. There is no complicated jargon, making it easy for beginners to understand what they are doing and why it matters. Security is handled at the user level, meaning private keys remain fully under the owner's control, not stored on centralized servers. Bifrost supports multiple blockchains and tokens, which removes the need to install different wallets for different networks. Beginners can manage assets from Ethereum, Cosmos-based chains, and other supported networks in one clean interface. The dashboard is simple, showing balances clearly in dollars so users instantly understand the value of their holdings without confusion. Another major advantage is built-in staking. Bifrost allows users to stake supported tokens directly from the wallet, earning passive income without interacting with complex platforms. Rewards, earnings, and locked amounts are clearly displayed, helping beginners track performance without advanced knowledge. The wallet also integrates decentralized applications seamlessly. Users can connect to DeFi platforms, swap tokens, and interact with blockchain services without exposing private keys or leaving the app. Transaction fees are displayed up front in dollars, helping beginners avoid costly mistakes. Customer support resources and in-app guides further strengthen Bifrost's beginner appeal. Clear explanations, simple navigation, and strong security design make it an ideal starting point for anyone entering crypto for the first time. For beginners looking for a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use crypto wallet that grows with their experience, Bifrost stands out as a practical and trustworthy choice.